In this video, I will share how people like you and me can make $50 million per year by talking about computer mouse. Okay, that's not really possible overnight, but this company is actually doing it, and I will show you step by step how they make money by talking about something like Logitech G303 Shroud Edition mouse. And the best part of the system is that you can make money without any technical skills, without a website, without a domain, and without a hosting server. Because I will give you free access to the key software that will do 99% of the work and make you money in the system. We use our software Maven, which allows us to build a complete money-making website simply by copying and pasting free public links and spinning the wheel of artificial intelligence. I have divided this video into 6 steps so you can follow each step easily. Make sure you watch all the 6 steps, because if you miss any step, you might end up not making any money in the system. And it is so easy that anyone can do it from anywhere in the world without any experience or technical knowledge. This company is arstechnica.com, and they get 15 million visitors per month to their website, and they make around 50 million US dollars per year in the process. So step number 1, let's analyze this website and expose their secret. Go to similarweb.com and paste the link of the website. Here you see everything about Ars Technica. Did you see? They get even more than 15 million visitors a month, which is just awesome. And this is all about their content. Don't worry, I'll come back to content. And they have a huge number of social media traffic because people love to share whenever they publish new content. When content gets shared on social media, it sends a signal to Google that this content is awesome and is worth reading. And as a result, Google ranks the website higher on search engines, which means you get more traffic from Google and other search engines. It's a win-win situation. You get double traffic and more money from your website. But one thing made me curious about them. Why do their content get viral? And why do people love to share so much? So step number 2, to find out their secret, I used Ubersuggest, which is a freemium software. There is a free version, a limited, and an unlimited paid version. We use paid version. You don't need to use it because I'm going to give you all the analytics data that we are showing you here in this video for free. So I go to Ubersuggest and typed arstechnica.com in the search bar. When you go to the traffic section and click the top pages by traffic, you see there one article about Logitech G303 Shroud Edition, which became their biggest hit, gets them 65,000 visitors per month. Wow. But this made me even more curious. Why? Why would they publish this article in the first place? Step number 3, if you like this video so far, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you learn how to make money online, but also they will learn how to make money online. They will get all the free education and free access to our premium softwares. Links are in the description, by the way, and you'll all get notified when we will upload our next how to make money online video. You see this article? It's all text and images, which we can get in less than 3 minutes without any effort using our software Maven. So what's special about this content? So to dig deeper, I went to Google Trends and searched for Logitech G303. I found that this topic was the biggest trending topic from 21st November to end of December. You see, they published the article within the same time frame. This is their secret sauce to get 65,000 visitors a month from one single article. They just find the latest and trending topic in the tech world and write about it before anyone else. And when people like you and me who love technology, we go to Google and find their website and we visit, we become a visitor. So this is how they get millions of visitors per month without any investment in traffic. Also, check here on the same page of Uber Suggest, this website gets a lot of Facebook and Pinterest engagement traffic as well. So Facebook and Pinterest shares bring them lots of engagement and lots of viral traffic. That's what I found. Right about what's trending right now in the tech world and steal all the traffic from Google, Facebook, and Pinterest. Now, step number 4, we have been talking all about content, blog, and website. You must be thinking this is just a lot of work, right? Yes, but let me show you how easy it is using my system and how you can do it in 2 steps and in 3 minutes using Maven. By the way, you can get Maven from the link in the description. Hey, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to Maven app and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term. Searched and found and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor tags and category and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Maven access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it. Step number 5, here is a live example of how you can use the system to make money. Example, check on Google News. Google and iFixit team up to offer pixel parts online. This is one of the top stories on Google News right now. And guess who is the first to publish an article on this topic? Yes, Ars Technica. They know it and they took action. And did you notice? They didn't write a long form article. Just a few paragraphs, a simple image, headline with the main keyword, that's it. They quickly published it so they can get the traffic as soon as possible. Nothing complicated, we can do it easily with Maven. Now let me tell you what they're going to do. They will see if this article gets some good traction, gets some good traffic. If it does, they will improve it and keep getting more and more traffic and make more and more money from it. This is how you can use this system to make money as well. That's it. Just see what's trending on Google News, Google Trends, what other blogs YouTube is talking about, and what's going viral on social media, what people are searching on Google, what's popular on Pinterest and Facebook, and let Maven handle the content part. I mean, the heavy lifting. In fact, every technical hassle, is completely taken care of our application. You can get it from the link in the description. Go get it. The more trending topics you find, the more content you have, the more traffic you will get. Finally, the more traffic you have, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. Now you know how to get traffic to your site. When you have traffic, the money will follow. As you know, money comes from AdSense, affiliate promotions, and brand deals or sponsorships. So step number 6, go get Maven from the link in the description right now and start creating high quality content without writing a single content that will make you money with your Maven website. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And we are also giving away our premium softwares free for you. Links are in the description. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This is an awesome way to help others learn how to make money online, and you will get notified when we upload our next money making video. We will see you in the next video.